this question. Here in the question, it is given that RPM revolution per minute n is equals to 6000. Now mass is given as 50 kg and omega n is given as 20% of omega. Here omega is forcing frequency. So omega will be 2 pi n divided by 60 and omega will come as 2 pi n here given 6000 divided by 60 and it will come as omega is equals to 628 radian per second. Now moving forward, here omega n will be equal to 20 divided by 100 multiplied by omega, and omega n is the natural frequency and omega n is also under root k divided by m. So here we can write under root k